Hey bro, I got this is stuff, and this is the table for the phone repair, and we have soldering machine. We also have normal soldering gun. So this is adjustable temperature, air, and we can blow air blower. And we usually fix the phone motherboards. So that's one. Here's another thing. That table, as you can see, is only for phones, and we have laptops, laptop repair. Started right there. We have one that we disable, dismantle. So I'm expecting to increase my knowledge of knowing how to repair phone motherboards and laptop motherboards, normal computer motherboards. So expecting it to see you soon. So we have multimeter, we have some tools there. We also have wire stripper, and what else? We have just a normal fan to use as what they call as multimeter to detect if there is electricity coming into the lines. Anyway, I expect you to come over and assist me learn more.